Introducing 3 custom projects for manufacturing electrical bus bars with Nargesa Industrial Machinery. Using the Nargesa MX700 hydraulic punching machine, we punch through 10 sheets of copper at once, thanks to a custom accessory developed by Nargesa's technical team. Next, the Nargesa PP200 horizontal folding press bends copper profiles with precision, creating bus bars with varying internal bend radii. Finally, with the Nargesa MC650 tube and profile bender, we shape copper handrails to exact specifications, showcasing the versatility of our accessories. Visit quantummachinery.com to learn more and check specifications.